lot of times why we buy stuff, because it has good art. So I found this coffee. Whoa! And I love the packaging. Made me buy it. And you know, art is everything. So yeah, packaging is everything. You know, in Saudi Arabia, when I worked there, you had to put everything in a nice frame. And then you could do lots of different kinds of work, and people loved it. Well, I just thought this was the nicest looking toucan I've ever seen. And I've taught kids how to do toucans. So, yeah. So I did the toucan. Now, I did a time lapse. I'll show you that. I love time lapse. They're so cool because you can see it as it happens, and they're fast. But this is a very slow video because it's just me and you, and you're visiting my studio. And look, ta-da! Toucan! It's in my own style. So you have to understand all those little foibles and mistakes are going to be corrected when I paint it. But I just need a general layout of how I'm going to do it. And I really like the packaging on this. Look at this. So there's the really cool coffee. And look again, words backwards, just like my painting. That's so weird. Okay, so it says De Brazil Cafe Gourmet. Anyway, it smells amazing. I love coffee. Do you like coffee? I wish I had a cup right now, but I just have a Diet Coke. Anyway, so this is going to be a fabulous painting, though. I swear, it looks like a really weird drawing, but you know what? I just need something to go by, and I go. And you might be inspired by something you find at the grocery store. I know I was. This is Brent Haug. Good to see you. Have a look at my channel. Take a look at my art. I'll be here. Au revoir. And arrivederci. And see you soon.